The last episode saw contestants from Pune showcase the best of their talents. Some were really impressive and the judges seemed happy.
Good job.
Thank you.
This week, the top 10 contestants getting ready to battle it out are from Kolkata.
We have really prepared them well, and we have asked them to keep it in the basics right, because we told them like don't go into a lot of decoration or presentation. Make your basics first. It should be perfect. Then go for the other things, and I think they are very excited about it, and they are very well prepared.
Here, the young people can try out how it is to be a chef and how to work under the pressure, the creativity which you have to put in. They have to design their own dishes and everything. So I find it very interesting format, and I think it is very important in order to groom young chefs up.
A city full of old world charm and delightful food. And the top 10 contestants from Kolkata are Chaitali Mandal from Our Ladies Queen of the Mission School, Ashwini Pandey from Saifi Hall School, Rimi Sarkar from Loreto Day School, Ashish Sharma from APJ School, Juhi Sachdev from Modern High School for Girls, Agnes Bernard from Le Martiniers for Girls, Debanjana Chatterjee from the BSS School, Siddhant Jaiswal from Ashok Hall, Harshvardhan Jalan from St. James's School, Anushka Saha from Mahadevi Birla World Academy.
Hi, I am Chaitali Mandal from Our Lady Queen of the Mission School, Salt Lake, Kolkata. When I was young, I really wanted to have my own restaurant, but then since this opportunity came to me real late, I already decided upon being a photojournalist or a lawyer. So maybe I will not take this up as a career, but I do want my own restaurant. I still do.
Hi, this is Debanjana Chatterjee of BSS School of Kolkata. I used to cook in home at first. My relatives and neighbors are fond of my cooking, and my friends just jump into my tiffin in the lunch break.
Hello, my name is Siddhant. I am from Ashok Hall, from the city of Kolkata. I want to be a chef because my father wants. He likes cooking. I also love cooking. I live for food. I love food.
Hello, I'm Anushka Saha from Mahadevi Birla World Academy, Kolkata. I always like eating, so I thought that nobody's going to cook me so good. So many, I'm always like, I want to have this, that, and nobody's going to make it for me, so I better start making them for myself, because nobody is going to bother, always listening to my demands and, just going according to my whims. So I just hope that this goes well.
Hi India, this is Ashish Sharma from APJ School, Salt Lake, Kolkata. Cooking has been my passion since I was class 5. It might sound cliche, but yeah, that's very, very true. And I've always looked up to my mom, the way she always cooks and serves the family. I've always looked up to her, and that has always been my dream, because I love to serve people. I love to kind of take care of people, and that makes me happy from within. So yeah, that's all about me.
Hi, I'm Harshvardhan Jalan from St. James's School, Kolkata. Cooking is my passion. I just love cooking. I still remember the first time I cooked. I made those small chocolate balls. I was in class 4, and somewhere I read that men are the best chefs in the world. So after that, there was no looking back. It broke all stereotypes. I went into the kitchen and started cooking.
Hi, this is Ashwini Pandey from Saifi Hall representing Kolkata. I remember one thing when I cooked few years back. I cooked one rajma chawal in my house. So हम बनाकर मम्मी को दिए. मम्मी को बोले मम्मी see I made this. So my mother told, what you made this? This is how you make. I taught you like this. She told me like this. I thought, okay, now you make. No, now you show me how to make. I will make it again. So now my mother showed me how to make. When I tasted, I was still, okay, now I know why you are a chef. You are a chef of my house.
Hi,
Hi, I'm Juhi Sachdev from One High School for Girls, Kolkata. Baking is my passion. That is what I'm most passionate about when it comes to cooking. So a while back I went baking supply shopping and I came across edible glitter. So I just thought that, let me spread that glitter around, and so that is why I'm here today, because, edible or not, glitter always leaves an impression. So I would love to do that with my food too.
Hi, my name is Agnes Bernard. I'm from La Martine for Girls, Kolkata. I started cooking when I was 8. So and I'm a very bossy person with my dad. I'm like, that salt is less, you shouldn't cook. What is wrong with you? And I'll go and put little masala. I'm like, that's perfect. So I keep doing that stuff.
Hi, this is Rimi Sarkar from Little Day School, Chiada, Kolkata. I'm first I'm very shy with people, but when I start talking and I come to know people, I talk too much that people are like, abhi tu tham ja. They are like this. So I like talking, but it depends on my comfort zone.
Before the cook-off begins, Chef Sean is back as always to give out some special tips to the contestants from Kolkata.
Now, banoffee trifle was always made with bananas and topping, but I'm going to add a few Indian elements to it, and we're going to end up by making it look fantastic. So we start off with some bananas. I've got some toffee sauce, so we're just going to add some of that. So I have this lovely layer of custard. So I'm going to slip them down the side of the glass. So to finish it, I'm going to add a couple of little garnishes, I guess. So I'm going to, again, oil the bench. A couple of pieces of this on top. Just going to drizzle some of the toffee sauce on top. So I'm going to make some sugar spikes that we're going to garnish this with. I'm going to throw this sugar like crazy. So again, like I said, it's going to be full of drama, this. So I've got a spike I'm going to stick in the center. Of excess drama, a little bit of white powder always looks good, I think. You can just finish it with a little bit more caramel. Okay, grab a spoon. So before I break up my little section, good luck in the competition.
Thank
And
you,
I'm going to introduce Garima to you once more.
Hi. Hello. Okay, so we'll do something which is very much to the tradition of Bengal. We'll be using Rasgulla, as we say, and we'll be making a dessert. It's a pity though that dessert is eaten after the meal, but still we'll make the delicious journey right now. So we take a Rasgulla and then we fill in with chocolate. Then we dip it in flour. So after the flour and the egg, we roll it in some breadcrumbs so that we get a crispy texture outside. So we have some lovely Bengali donuts, as I would call it. So here's some sugar syrup, okay, which is made with a lot of spices. It has some fennel seeds, some cardamom,
some dry red chili, cinnamon and mace and cloves. Or maybe if you would want to try some hot melted chocolate right now. Come now, come forward, try it. Then we'll just drop some sugar syrup on top. And this is some Nolen Gold cream. So I hope you all had a good time, and let's cook and make the world a tastier place.
Fantastic. Sweet and spice and all things nice. Okay, I think let's all have a group hug. Competition is getting nearer. Let's all have a quick group hug.
The session with Chef Sean well seized. It's now time to meet today's judges, Chef Ranveer Brar, Chef Sanjay Kak, and Chef Aditya Jamani.
Welcome to IHM Young Chefs India Schools 2016. We are your judging panel for the event. Now is the time for the rules. The first and the most important rule is that we will smile at all times. Another rule that we always follow is safety comes first. In front of you is a basket with a bunch of ingredients. We would prefer if you use most of the ingredients. In addition to these ingredients, there is a common pool of ingredients right here that you have access to. You have a choice of 3 proteins: chicken, fish, or paneer. Using at least any one of these proteins, you have to make one Indian or Indian-inspired dish. Your 90 minutes start now. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Chef Kunal Kapoor. I'm back with my yellow table. वही yellow table जिसने आपको दिया था amazing खाना. और इस नए सीजन में my yellow table is ready with a brand new menu. Great conversations as well as food that you make. Interesting people.
It's different.
मुझसे आटा तैयार पे आ रही है. Lots of barbecues and grills. तो अगर खाना है delicious खाना तो yellow table ही book कराना.
Khardungla. Challenge था to ride the Scooty Zest 110 all the way to the top. They say it's the world's highest motorable road. But honestly, road कहाँ था यार? 2100 kilometers, 18,000 feet. But when you finally reach the top, the feeling is epic.
The first 110cc scooter at Khardungla. Scooty Zest 110. Live full, be you.
Kohler presents Veil, the intelligent toilet. It's never too irresistible.
Darling, do you know how much I love you?
You are guilty. आप बहस मत कीजिए. Hang him.
Don't lie to me. You are a liar. Get out of here.
How many times have I told you to shut up? इसका सिर्फ एक ही जवाब है. जान से मार दो इन्हें. मार दीजिए.
It's a rush to pick up the ingredients and the contestants don't want to go wrong. The cook-off begins. Seems like a great start for some, but it is only about to get intense.
Hello Agnes, how are you?
Thanks, sir. How are you, sir?
Doing well?
Yes, definitely.
So what are you making?
I am making prawn vindaloo, but...
Prawn vindaloo?
Yes.
Great. Can I smell a little?
Yes, yes, definitely.
So this is the rice that's being cooked?
Yes.
Oh good, you managed well.
Thank you, sir.
So all the best.
Thank you, sir.
We'll taste it later and we'll enjoy the prawns.
Yes, sir.
Each contestant is putting in everything that it takes. Every bit of trial and practice they have undergone, all coming down to this moment.
What are you making? I am making a double cheese kulcha with a kofta in a gobi gravy, and I have zucchini nazakat, which is a filled zucchini filled zucchini, and I have paneer tikka.
अब एक बात मैं आपसे पूछूंगा, लड़के ज़्यादा अच्छा खाना बनाते हैं कि लड़कियाँ?
Obviously लड़के, इसमें कोई दूसरा बात नहीं है.
ये तो आप हम दोनों के सामने बोल रहे हैं सिर्फ.
नहीं.
मम्मी के सामने क्या बोलोगे?
Obviously लड़के.
All the best. All the best.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Only 30 minutes of your cooking and presentation time are left.
क्या बनाया?
Sir, fish curry, sweet and sour garden, and steamed rice.
ठीक है, ले जाऊँ फिर मैं?
No, sir, presentation बाकी है.
ओह, अभी तो आपने बोला yes sir.
Sir, half हो गया.
बट बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. It's looking very nice. एक सलाह दूँ?
हाँ सर.
अभी टेस्टिंग को थोड़ा समय है.
हाँ,
आपके पास 20 मिनट हैं.
हाँ सर.
20 मिनट में if you want you can create something for garnish, something interesting, because the food is ready. Now you can spend the time to make it beautiful.
If you have not figured out what your plating is, you need to do that now. Okay, young chefs, you have just over 10 minutes. I think by this time your dishes should be cooked. You should be starting your plating now.
With little time remaining, some begin to plate.
Seven cities, 10 contestants, 1 young chef India, and we have 1 minute left. Last 30 seconds. If you still do not have a food on the table, then we might have a problem. Last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You as a city have impressed us the most. A big round of applause for all you guys.
And Kolkata displays their culinary creation.
It's almost like I am getting married, but it's not truly my wedding, and that is so exciting.
This is the only wedding that a guy looks forward to. Why? Obviously, none of the stress and all of the fun.
This really is a once-in-a-lifetime occasion because nothing gets better than
your best friend's wedding. हल्दी से मेहंदी तक,
बारात से शादी तक,
संगीत and bachelor party.
It's full-on madness.
With the doula's most degree dose.
And the bride's best friend.
Friends का जश्न.
Anita का जश्न.
Weddings don't get more fun than this.
A wedding show, that's double the fun.
प्यार और यार दोनों मिलेंगे.
My daddy is my best friend. He plays with me all the time. But a while back, he couldn't play with me at all. He was sick. Mama told me, "Don't worry, baby. Papa is being cared by the best doctors." Doctor uncle was very sweet. He told me that he was going to give a bigger space in my papa's heart to love me. The nurses over there made Papa smile all the time. One day, they took Papa to a room. Like in Ben 10, there were very big machines. Mama said that Papa will be back home very soon. And in 2 days, Papa was alright. I love you, Daddy.
Some things in life are beyond value. Love, care, and your heart. Apollo Hospitals. Because your heart is priceless.
I know what to do today. I just wanna see you for hours and hours and hours.
Step into Cooves.com, the online fashion store.
Buy a Club Mahindra membership this summer
and make London housefull.
Club Mahindra celebrates the release of Houseful 3 this 3rd June. तो अब Club Mahindra खरीदो और लंदन जाओ.
The moment of truth, time for the judges to speak out.
Remy, what have you made for us today, beta?
This is Piyazi Bhuna Pulao with dhania wali bharwan jhinga mahi and masala sorted jhinga with caramelized lemon and curried cauliflower sauce with a crunchy salad.
जब बहुत सारी चीजें डालते हैं ना खाने में, when you put a lot of things together, things go out of control.
Great stuffing in the fish. I really loved your plate.
And I must say, you have managed the crunchiness in the prawns really well.
Thank you, Chef.
Thank you.
Good job.
Please vote at youngchefindia.com/Rimi.
Let's taste, Chef.
आपने सही में खट्टा और मीठा बहुत ही बढ़िया बनाया है.
Your plates are really, really well done. A good try. Fantastic.
Thank you, sir. Please vote me at youngchefindia.com/Ashwini.
You have cooked one of the most delicious zucchinis that I have ever tasted.
Thank you, Chef.
So Anjana, 2 combinations that I'm going to take from here and use in my restaurant.
Oh my God!
You have a long way to go.
Thank you, thank you. Please vote for me at youngchefindia.com/Debanjana. Thank you. Please vote for me.
Fantastic. The
Thank
prawn
you,
is crisp. It's the right cooking. I'm really happy with your
Thank
taste.
you, Chef.
You know what you've done? You made our job very difficult. To pick one winner with food like this. Excellent. God bless you.
Thank you, Chef. Thank you so much. Please do vote for me in youngchefindia.com/Agnes.
Good evening.
Good evening. What have you made?
I've made bhunna jeera murg with sabz pulao and a fresh garden salad.
The rice is nice. It has got a flavor to it. It's got a fantastic color to it. The vegetables are crunchy. It's a fantastic plate.
The use of masalas, the cooking of the chicken is brilliant.
Thank you, chef. Please vote for me at youngchefindia.com/Juhi.
We were all very impressed with your use of zucchini on that paneer. Very well done. And I personally like the gravy of the prawn. Very well. Good.
Please vote me at the site youngchefindia.com/Siddhant.
Okay, what have you made?
Sir, that's a lemon flavored rice and chicken and cheese koftas in a thick gravy. And this is my side dish. It's a masala prawn.
You are on the right track to mastering all three: flavor, time and temperature of cooking.
Thank you, sir. Please do vote for me at youngchefindia.com/Chaitali.
What have you made, Ashish?
I have a fennel basa with a South Indian flavored sauce which has no base. And to go along, I have given an Italian twist to curd rice.
Let us taste it.
Whatever you tried to say through flavors was simple, yet it is coming through.
Thank you, sir. Please vote for me at www.youngchefindia.com/Ashish.
Paneer, paneer, paneer. Very good.
Paneer in love.
Very nicely done, very nicely executed dish. For me, this is your dish. This is today's dish. Awesome, good job.
Thank you, sir. Please vote for me at youngchefindia.com/Harshvardhan.
अनुष्का, इस खूबसूरत डिश का नाम क्या है?
Well, I have not given it a name because they are all innovations. So I have made a chicken paturi with a shoshaponi stuffing.
For me, it was a complete plate with a starter, nice sorbet starter and a main dish. Very well done.
Thank you so much, chef. Please do vote for me at youngchefindia.com/Anushka.
With this, the curtain falls on a remarkable culinary journey. The top 10 contestants from 7 cities, Delhi, Jaipur, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Pune and Kolkata undertook. Keep sending in your votes. Remember, your vote decides the winner for each city. Coming soon, watch the top 7 finalists battle it out for the coveted title Young Chef India Schools.
Young Chef of India.